What if one decision could help you support your wellness, create an additional stream of income, and become part of a community committed to helping people thrive? cocoBlue combines carefully selected ingredients designed to support everyday wellness and hydration. Start your day with a coffee crafted for those seeking both great taste and purposeful nutrition. Black seed oil has been valued for generations and fits naturally into a daily wellness routine. Fulvic minerals provide naturally occurring compounds that complement a healthy lifestyle. Create a cleaner home with thoughtfully designed products made for everyday use. Personal care products, designed with quality ingredients for everyday wellness. Essential oils, inspired by nature, help create moments of calm and relaxation throughout your day. Every activated brand partner receives a position within Zilara's 2x15 matrix. As customers and brand partners are added throughout the organization, positions may also be placed beneath you, creating what is commonly known as spillover. When qualifying activity occurs within your matrix and you meet the activation requirements, commissions can accumulate according to the Zilara compensation plan. Matrix commissions accumulate throughout the week and may be claimed when your position is activated by midnight Pacific Time on Thursday, subject to the terms of the compensation plan. Whether you're looking for better health, an additional income stream, or a supportive community, Zilara offers an opportunity worth exploring.